Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to cook one of my favorite family recipes, spaghetti bolognese. It's a hearty, flavorful dish passed down through generations, and I can't wait to share it with you. Not only will we learn how to make it, but we'll also practice some essential English cooking vocabulary along the way. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our spaghetti bolognese. Ground beef. Onions, carrots, and celery. We'll use these for a delicious vegetable base. Garlic, tomato paste, and canned tomatoes for the sauce. Fresh basil, salt, pepper, and of course, spaghetti. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. This is a great practice for using cooking terms in English, like preparing the ingredients or chopping the vegetables. Now, let's get started. First, we'll chop our onions, carrots, and celery into small pieces. This is called a mirepoix, a French term for a base of chopped vegetables used in many sauces and soups. When chopping, you can say I'm dicing the onions or I'm mincing the garlic. Now that the vegetables are ready, we're going to sauté them in a little bit of olive oil. Sautéing means cooking them on medium heat until they're soft and aromatic. Next, we're going to add our ground beef to the pan. You can say, I'm browning the meat. This gives the dish its rich flavor. Once the meat is browned, we'll add our garlic and tomato paste. Stir everything together. This is when the flavors start to come together. Now, we're adding the canned tomatoes. You can say, I'm pouring in the tomatoes. We'll also add salt, pepper, and fresh basil for seasoning. Now that everything is mixed in, we'll lower the heat and let it simmer. Simmering means to cook gently over low heat. Let the sauce cook for about 30 minutes to develop all those wonderful flavors. Don't forget to taste your sauce to make sure it's perfect. You can say, I'm tasting the sauce to check if it needs more seasoning. While the sauce is simmering, we'll cook our spaghetti. Simply bring a pot of water to a boil and add the pasta. You can say, I'm boiling the spaghetti. Once the spaghetti is cooked, don't forget to drain it well. You can say, I'm draining the pasta. Now for the fun part, serving. Place the spaghetti on a plate and top it with a generous amount of sauce. You can garnish with some fresh basil for a nice touch. And there you have it, spaghetti bolognese, made with love and family tradition. It's the perfect dish for any occasion. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making spaghetti bolognese and that you picked up some new English cooking terms like sauté, simmer, drain, and serve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you try making this at home. See you next time for more family recipes and English lessons. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch more interesting videos.